Hi, and welcome to another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. And today we are in room 224 at the Marriott TownePlace Suites in Old Town Historical Albuquerque, New Mexico. So we have been upgraded to a one-bedroom suite, and we do have another video on our channel of a studio. So you'll see some similarities, but you can compare the two if you look at our channel and want to look at another room type for a newer concept TownePlace Suites. So here we go. They have a galley kitchen, and it has a 3/4 fridge, a mini sink and dishwasher. This one has a mini 4-burner oven and stove, and then also a microwave. Then it also comes with a toaster, coffee maker, cleaning supplies, like dishwashing supplies, coffee supplies, and then in all the cabinets, which I'll turn around and get a better view of here, you do have service for 4 people. So they'll have like pots, pans, utensils, and then dishware for up to 4 people, glassware for 4 people, silverware for 4 people. So anyway, it's kind of a neat deal. It is equipped enough to do like a simple small meal. So then right across from the kitchen is a pretty big closet with really nice storage. So you've got all this different racking system, and it also has your ironing board and iron. And then also right by the front door, there is a full-length mirror and some coat hooks. So here is your desk space. It's kind of interesting. It does come with a desk lamp and a rolling office chair. And then if you want, this lower desk part does completely roll out. And then since this is a 1-bedroom, this is basically the living room. It does have a pull-out sofa that would be about a full-size bed on that one, and a rolling ottoman with a sliding tray. In one of the closets, you will get the extra linens to make up that bed. And then over here, you have more storage and your flat screen TV. So then across from the sofa is a bathroom, and it's a nice big bathroom. It's got a lot. It comes with lots of toiletries and a blow dryer. And then, of course, your tub shower combination with their amenities here. And they're stocking extra towels so that you hopefully don't need housekeeping during your stay. Because of COVID, they're limiting that, at least for now. And then in here is a separate door that will close off from the part of the room I'm in now, the living room part. And you have your king-size bed. And then in here, if I put my back to the nightstand, you'll see more storage, another flat screen, and then over here is another closet just like the first one. So you've got lots of hanging and storage options if you're staying here for a while. There's your extra bedding. So you get 2 closets, 2 sleeping spaces, lots of storage, 1 bathroom, and kind of a miniaturized kitchen, but it still has everything you would need. And then in this case, you have a view out that direction. You can we're here at night, we just checked in. You can kind of see the lights of Albuquerque. This is facing west. Well, actually, you're getting a terrible reflection of me, but you get the idea. Sorry for that. And then we're just walking back through the unit, and you get a north facing view there, but there's not a lot in that direction. So anyway, there you go. That is your tour of the Marriott TownePlace Suites in Old Town Historical Albuquerque, and this is a 1-bedroom suite. Thanks for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo, and feel free to leave comments, questions, and we'd love you to like and subscribe. Thanks.